Ajayastromoneyguru family. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. I'm Nina, and today, on the 13th of November 2023, we have some exciting developments to discuss, so let's dive right in. Gold enthusiasts, listen up. The gold market experienced some interesting twists and turns this week. On Monday, we saw a rally in gold prices, and here's why. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell made some hawkish remarks, which initially pushed gold to a 3-week low. However, things took a positive turn as spot gold gained 0.1%, reaching $1,939.19 per ounce. If you recall, gold faced a tough week, falling 2.8%, marking its worst performance in over a month. Powell's comments, hinting at a delay in interest rate cuts, were the primary driver behind this dip. You know the drill, higher interest rates make holding gold more expensive. Now, what's on our radar this week? The US Consumer Prices Index, CPI, data, scheduled for Tuesday, could significantly influence the Fed's interest rate outlook. According to a Reuters poll, the core CPI is expected to rise 0.3% in October, with a year-over-year increase of 4.1%. Keep a close eye on this, as it may sway the gold market in the coming days. And of course, let's not forget the dollar, which edged up 0.1% against its rivals, making gold less appealing for holders of other currencies. On the ETF front, the SPDR Gold Trust reported a slight increase in holdings, showing renewed investor interest. Now, let's shift our focus to the world of black gold, crude oil. It was a bit of a roller coaster this week, with prices slipping on Monday after gaining in the previous session. Brent crude futures for January were down 0.4% at $81.08 a barrel, while WTI crude futures for December stood at $76.82, down 0.5%. Last week, both benchmarks gained nearly 2%, thanks to Iraq's support for OPEC Plus oil cuts. However, they still marked their third weekly losses, losing about 4%. The U.S. Energy Information Administration delivered some news, a slight reduction in U.S. crude oil production expectations and a dip in demand. Combine this with weak economic data from China and refiners requesting less supply from Saudi Arabia, and you get a recipe for concern over demand. Speaking of OPEC Plus, the big players, Saudi Arabia and Russia, confirmed their commitment to additional voluntary oil output cuts until the end of the year. The meeting on November 26 is one to watch, as it could provide more insight into the future of crude markets. So, that wraps up our commodity update for today. Remember to stay informed, stay invested, and, of course, hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, this is Nina from Ajayastromoneyguru, signing off.